Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Pinterest account extra secure, or simply want to manage which devices are logged in, this guide is for you. Today, I'm walking you through the process of ending the activity of a specific login device on Pinterest, updated for the latest app experience. Whether you've lost a phone, shared a device, or just want to double-check your account security, these steps will help you stay in control. First, open the Pinterest app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. That's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it to open your profile. From your profile, you'll find a menu, often represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Tap there to access your settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several options. Scroll until you find Security. When you tap on Security, you'll be taken to a section where you can manage the safety of your account. In the Security menu, look for the option called Connected Devices. This is where you'll find a list of all the devices currently logged into your Pinterest account. Each device will be listed with details like the device name, location, and the last time it was active. Take a moment to review this list. If you spot a device you don't recognize, or one you want to log out, you can take action. To end the activity of a specific device, simply tap End Activity next to the device you want to remove. Pinterest will ask you to confirm your decision. Just tap Confirm or Yes when prompted. That's it. The selected device will be logged out immediately, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your account is secure. This process is quick and easy, and it's a great way to keep your Pinterest experience safe and private. If you ever feel unsure about a device, don't hesitate to check your connected devices list and take action. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident about managing your Pinterest account.